Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix your mobile cannot recharge. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data from your quick settings. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, what you can do is head over to your settings on your device and then scroll to find apps. Once you're here, tap on see all apps and then head over to the search bar and search for the U Mobile app on your device. Tap on my U Mobile, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of my U Mobile. The other thing that you must do is open up my U Mobile app on your device and make sure that you have enough balance, or also make sure that if you're trying to log in with a card, if you're trying to recharge with a card, make sure that the number that you're entering is correct. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, search for my U Mobile in the search bar, long press on it, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. If that too does not work, head over to your dialer and then enter the code to recharge instead of trying to use the app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.